Now to the latest trend that's sweeping the internet.
So-called NFT.
They're now selling for huge bucks.
$69 million.
Oh my gosh. So what's behind this latest craze?
That is the question to ask.
Did you know that some NFTs cost as much as $24 million?
Really?
Are you aware that you could get 10% on every secondary purchase on your NFTs if you set the proper royalties?
For real?
What else did you not know about NFTs?
A lot.
We will tell you all the 10 ways to make money off NFTs.
All right.
Let us get started.
What are you waiting for?
Number 10, HODLing. HODL translates as hold on for dear life. The term was coined out of the 2021 retail period when there was a market squeeze and the decision to sell was most reasonable. HODL means refusing to sell your investment regardless of the situation. If you bought crypto that is not appreciated at a price, you should hold on to it and wait for that big moment when the market opens up for them. When it first started, those who bought Solana did not think it would compete with both Bitcoin and Ethereum and became such a viable third force. Yet look at the statistics today and the NFTs that are floating on there. Holding on to your investment until it becomes profitable has its pros and cons, but you could be wildly surprised at the end of the day. Number 9, staking. Another way to earn money off your crypto is to lock it up on a DeFi platform and receive rewards in the network's native token for it. The process helps for validating other transactions on the network. Currently, few platforms are offering this type of passive income because the industry is still young. NFTs became a big deal last year. Some more platforms are still set up for staking. Although the popularity of staking in crypto will make it easy for the market to flourish when attention is given to it. In the end, the NFT you're staking could become the yardstick for how much you will earn in staking interests. Nevertheless, you will find the PE gaming sector heavily invested in staking. We are going to tell you all about that next. Number 8, play to earn. NFT games employ P2E features to attract skilled players for rewards. When one plays the games, they earn the rewards in the network's native token. The reward could be withdrawn into a wallet or used in in-game items. There are games which are competitions between multiple people and rewards are battled over. Additionally, new platforms offer consistent income like the one we have in the type to earn or listen to earn online jobs. So this is an online job, but you are playing NFT games. Number 7, royalties. The exciting thing about the NFT market is that royalties are to be generated. Since NFTs are your creative property, you can set your royalty percentage during the minting process. Thus, you will automatically receive payments as the NFT's original creator whenever there is a secondary purchase. Imagine earning 10% whenever your NFT is sold. Sounds like passive income, right?
Hell yeah!
On the other hand, ensure that your NFT is worth the investment to have a resale quality to it. We have seen the NFTs of people's television sets in their rooms. You do not have to set a royalty for that because even you would not buy that. Give the investor something worthwhile to make them want to purchase, a benefit of some sort. That way, your product continues to make money on the blockchain. If you have not already, please subscribe to our channel for more on digital assets and making money the crypto way. Number 6, flipping. Flipping is in every aspect of investments. On the one hand, you buy houses, revamp them, and sell them for a positive return. In crypto, you can have the same flipping process. On the other hand, NFT flipping is often a short-term strategy rather than a long-term approach. When deciding which NFT has the best chance at producing a return, focus on the asset's utility. If it is something that investors might be interested in later, it would be best if you also questioned whether the developers behind the NFT are marketable. And finally, the visual appeal. If it is something you can boldly display on your social media or digital art gallery, you have got yourself something to flip. Number 5, minting.
What is that?
This word is not strange. We are not speaking of the herbs in your cocktail. Minting is the process of taking your photo, music, or art and placing it on the blockchain.
Oh, I see.
Once you successfully place your asset on the blockchain, you have minted your NFT. Then you can start monetizing it by trading the NFT on the best NFT marketplaces. Contrary to the belief that anything can sell on the blockchain, there is stiff competition. Tens of thousands of creators mint new assets each day, so you have to ensure that yours stands out from the rest. Marketing could also be necessary for others to see your creation. Then once your NFT sells, you can start cashing out from your crypto wallet. Number 4, gaming rewards. If you play to earn, why don't you allow interest to accrue? When you earn rewards from your P2E, you can keep it in a crypto savings account to generate consistent yield. This is an indirect way to make extra money on all the rewards you win. Similar to the banking system, crypto savings accounts also generate annual interest. However, crypto offers high interest due to its high demand. Some platforms provide as high as 12% interest on your deposits. If you want to receive your interest each month and not have to deal with hidden fees and gas fees, you can try BlockFi. It has over 1 million clients worldwide and gives up to 11% interest on deposits. Note that the type of blockchain or currency you use will determine how much interest you are entitled to. Number 3. Invest in startups. When you find that an NFT startup has potential, you should quickly invest in it to reap the benefits after it swells up in value. Most of the NFTs selling for millions today started minting below $1 and slowly climbed up when buzz increased around them. Investing early means that you have the chance to buy more stakes in the companies for cheap, and then you later become a shareholder in a vastly profitable NFT. For instance, CryptoPunk started at $1 and then moved to about $34. The celebrities jumped on it, and then it became a luxury NFT. Today, it is selling for more than $24 million for one. If you bought it in 2017, you probably thought it was fun and games. Currently, your investment would have made you a millionaire. If you worry that 90% of startups fail in the back of your mind, there's something else for you to try. You can also buy stocks in companies that directly provide NFT services. That way, you would be benefiting from the market without participating fully. We will share more on that shortly. Number 2. Trading. Investors know what trading means: to buy and sell NFTs for little profits. Then you repeat the cycle. This is not about making their money back in large sums for real traders. The process is for long-term investments and milking the tiny extras on top of it until you want to retire. To emphasize, trading is a game of patience and time. One needs trading knowledge to know which NFT to buy at a low price, probably because of a market crash, and sell later when the market picks up again. Therefore, asset managers and experienced investors are the ones who play this game the best. Yet, you can try it too with disposable income that you want to experiment with. If you make the right choices, you will never lose your money. Number 1. Related services. A company that offers services to the NFT market is as good as the NFTs themselves. If you approach such companies, you will get insight into the world of NFT. Moreover, the companies often work in other aspects of digital currency, so that you can be assured of diversification. Given that the market is still young, you would be buying stock in a relatively small yet vastly profitable industry. As of now, Coinbase is the only standout organization involved in digital asset management and is set to launch an NFT marketplace soon. However, many startups have the same mission, and collaborating with them could drive up your profits in the NFT world without meddling deeply into the blockchain itself. In the end, your money is secure even in Plum, because the work is administrative and consultancy at best, and the company recovers operational cost regardless. Which of these sounds like the most viable option to you? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet.